So today I have the Apple Watch Series 9 in product red. I've got the product red sports band as well. So if you're in the market for a Series 9 Apple Watch and you want to see what it's all about, this video is for you. So let's just open this up. I just blocked out the information there. Don't worry about that. Just subscribe. We'll open it up and I'll show you what you get. Now, I am going to be honest with you. First off, look at that. Red with red with red. How nice is that? Product red has always been my favorite. But I'm going to be honest with you. I actually unboxed this and then I deleted the footage. So I can't do that nice tear with things. But I do apologize for that. Let's open up this box first right here. Open. All right, there we go. Finally open. So front of the box, pretty thick, hefty box here. You've got your charger, which is USB-C, and then you have that magnetic sort of, I think it's MagSafe, where it charges on there. Now, when you get your Apple Watch, it's going to be in a nice little blanket or sleeve, red or whatever color you choose. But this is product red right here. I've been using it a little bit, and that's why it's not perfect, because I thought I had already filmed this video. But anyway, that's product red. This is the 45 millimeter version as well. And I'll show you the band, which I also have. And I actually bought the Series 8 in product red, and it's the same. This is the medium large band, so you can see right there. And right here is the one I've been using, so just so you can see close up, pretty much the same band. This is used after a year, and comparing the colors, just so you can tell, I mean, the wear and tear you're going to get on this from sweat and things like that, it's not much. And I mean, you can wash these. You can see there's dirt on it, but you can wash these so easily. So I really like the sports bands. They seem to be very durable. But let's just put the band on. I'll show you a little bit about the watch, since I've already been using it and filming other videos on the main channel. So here's the watch on my wrist. I'm just going to power it back on. Give it a second. I already started using this watch, but just to compare it, this one right here is the Series 6. And honestly, like, the design has not changed all that much. This is another cool band here, just a simple Amazon band, but just for quality's sake, I can definitely tell you that Apple's quality of bands is 100 times better than what this band provided. This one becomes sticky, so and this thing takes a long time to restart. I just powered it down and I'm powering it back up. It's been already a minute. It's still not powered back on. All right, so there we go. That's my Apple Watch. You can do things like double tap, where you can access different features just by double tapping your fingers, and you can do different things like answer texts or move around on this widget section. I showed that in another video on my other channel, but this is the Apple Watch Series 9. If you're planning on purchasing the Series 9, I wouldn't recommend it if you have a fairly new Apple Watch Series 7 or 8. It's just, there's not much different to it than those. Like, I mean, this is the Series 9. I had the Series 8. Other than this double tap, which there is a workaround for older Apple Watches, there really isn't too much that you're going to miss by not having the Series 9. Maybe wait for the next one. But this is the Apple Watch Series 9 in that nice product red with the product red band as well. And if you're in the market and you really like red, I personally think it's sharp. It's my favorite color, so I went that route. But, you know, look at them in the store and see which one's best for you. This one was the Wi-Fi model. And that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.